Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for GM's 2003 to 2025 2500 vans. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities and follow all manufacturer's safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift and support the vehicle. Locate the work area near the rear of the front door, by the center, or position 3, body mount. Support the transmission crossmember with a jack and wood block or other suitable material. Clear any lines or brackets from the work area and make sure the fuel tank is protected. Remove the transmission crossmember bolts on the side being repaired. Step 3. Inspect the center body mount, transmission crossmember, and the frame beneath them. If any of these components or the underlying frame are rusted, rotted, or failing, replace the affected components. If the body mount and transmission crossmember are in acceptable condition, use the perforations in the repair section to fit around the factory components. Step 4. Grind the work area clear of rust, debris, slag, and jagged metal. Apply weld-through primer to the prepared area. Step 5. Slide the repair section over the frame rail, using the factory frame holes for alignment. Clamp the repair section securely in place. Step 6. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the repair section in place. Verify alignment, then fully weld all seams between the repair section and frame rail. If the body mount was removed, install a replacement mount now. Step 7. Paint the repair section and surrounding work area with rust protectant. We suggest our Rust Buster rust converter and primer spray paint. Step 8. Reinstall the transmission crossmember bolts. If the body was raised to replace the body mount, lower the body and bolt it to the replacement mount. Finally, reinstall any lines or brackets removed during preparation.